Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teaching you the deleting an element in the DOM element. So uh, you already know what we can do those DOM elements. So, and this is the beginning of the series where I'm gonna teaching you the hiding elements, adding stuff, and what we call searching, and then we can delete anything, so first we're gonna learn how to delete those. So if we do every scripts in here on the script tag, it would be a big tedious. So for that to happen, we need to add a different approach, which is adding a different JavaScript file. So let's begin. And we gonna remove them. We need to remove this, and then we're gonna use the script tag and just put in one line. And what we're gonna do is use the src, and it would be equals to app.js, which we gonna name it our what we call the file. So app.js, and then what we gonna do is deleting an event. Here we need to put a deleting event, but by clicking all and setting all of them, so that would be a big problem. So we need to set it dynamically, because when we add elements, it's not gonna delete then. So for that to happen, we need use the query selector. So document dot query selector and after that, what we gonna do, pass first as a first argument hashtag product list. We already have those, like here, product list, this ID. And yeah, we need to remove this ID which we just created for fun. And now a product list, and we want to select all the ULs, and that way everything gonna work. Next thing is const. We're gonna put inside a const, or it not gonna see those again, so we're gonna name it list, and it would be equals to that. After that, what we're gonna do is create another const, and it would be called forms. So, and it would be equals to document dot forms. Yeah, it's another thing. What it does, it select all the forms. You can see here it's a one form and there is another form. So this is the way we do this. Now if we want to delete anything, just we need to do is first we're gonna comment it out, delete products, right? And here we're gonna use list dot, we're gonna add event listener. So event listeners, and when we do that, after that, what we need to do is click. We're gonna use the click event, and then use the arrow function, pass as a parameter, and here after that, what we put inside is if the event dot class name, what the heck, class name is equals to delete, we are triggering that event. Every event has a what we call target. If you want to learn about those, just let me show you example. Here we're gonna log it on a console, the E. So clicking on that, let's type it here, and now see the event. We can see it's a mouse event, and there are many attributes, and there's one of them is target, and it has what we call parent elements and child elements there are. So this is the way we're gonna use. So remove that, we don't need that anymore. Just for explanation, I show you that. And if it's equals to delete, what we need to do is e dot target dot parent element, which is what we call, which is already li. You can see it's here, it's an li, the parent element. So element, right? I think something I made a mistake. No mistake. Yeah, that's here. Target. What the heck? Yeah, okay then. After that, we're gonna put it inside a const called ali, and it would be this. And then we need to remove that what we call parent node. So ali, I already talked about the node list. So this is the way we can check the parent node. Not parent element, node. And it would be, we're gonna call a function called remove child. The li parent node is this one, ul remove child, and we're gonna pass a lie, right? Then now when we call a function, it's gonna delete. See, awesome, right? So this is the way we can delete elements. In the next episode, we're gonna learn about how to edit elements. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.